Hi, in this video we will talk about how to generate a palette of multiple colors in R. Let's create a data frame which has 26 different data points. So I'm using letters from A to Z. So that's my first values. Second values is random numbers between the value of 2 and 100, and I want 26 of them, and I'm combining them together into a data frame called C. So this is my data frame which has 26 different data points, and I'll use this to make some charts. And for making our charts, we would use ggplot package. I would create a bar chart, and because I'm using fill equals A, it'll get a different color in each bar of the chart. So this is what we're going to get. So this is kind of the rainbow colors. If you're happy with those colors, you can use them, and if you want to play up or you want to customize the color values, you can also use something called random color. So this is a package or a function which allows you to create multiple colors. All you have to do is define how many colors you want. So for example, if I say I wanted to generate 26 different colors, and I would get 26 different colors which are distinct or different from each other, we can use that. And the way to use that is by calling the scale fill manual and providing the values of the colors which come from this palette. So if I run this command, I get some random colors which are different from each other. You can customize those colors a bit more. Before we do that, let's look at the help function for the random color. And you would notice that it has 2 or 3 options. The first one being the count or the number of colors which you want. The second one is the hue, which could be a blank, random, red, orange, etc. And the third option is the luminosity, which is blank, random, light, bright, etc. So using those customizations, so let me create something which we can run to show different color options. So in this case, I'm using the hue as blue, and then I've created 5 different palettes, and the hue comes from this variable, and I've given different luminosities, which are these. So using different palettes which we have created, I would run this plot, and you would see that it's a combination of blue colors. And in the next one, I'm going to change the luminosity as random. And if I run that, so the colors being the blue and luminosity changing to random. So using this, I would create some more charts, which is just a different combination of luminosity. And finally, I want to plot all of them together for you so that you can see the difference at one go. So I'll run the whole thing. I'm using a package called Patchwork, which allows you to combine all different charts together. So I've given a title which is different options for hue, and the hue comes from this value. And in these charts, I'm just changing my palettes. We have created 5 different palettes, so I'm just changing palettes in that. So let's run it and see the difference of all the options. So this is what we get. The hue being the blue hue, and then luminosity, I've changed the values, the 5 different values which are available to show you the difference between this. And same thing, if I wanted to change the color now, I could change my color or the hue to red. And if I run the whole thing together, so this is the red option. orange option, the green option, the pink option, and the yellow option. So the basic command being the palette. So this is our basic command which you got to remember, that we want to generate random colors and number of colors which you want to generate and the kind of hue you want. For example, we have seen yellow, blue, green, etc., and luminosity values. And with that, we come to the end of this video. I hope you found this information useful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.